Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2008 Suzuki GSX-R1000 superbike. Fantastic condition, really a gorgeous, outstanding paint scheme. White and silver with blue highlights, only 24,000 miles. This bike is in excellent condition. It's got the smoke windscreen, bar end mirrors, awesome sounding exhaust system, fender eliminator, seat cowl. Come on by, make your superbike dreams come true with this fuel injected liter bike for only $79.99. You see, it's got frame sliders. This thing is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.